What first inspired me to start this channel was getting over my fears. My fear of heights, to be exact. So that's what I did. I simply jumped out of a plane, I went hang gliding. I did all these different activities high in the sky, and then it just became so common to me, I just did it over and over again. I don't get scared anymore. At least I didn't think I did. And then I saw this ride. And it felt different, it looked different. And well, this is what happened.
Look at that. Alright, and right here is the Grand Canyon swing. I literally saw this on the Travel Channel as one of the scariest rides on earth. No lie, it definitely is, y'all. Like, sheesh. Okay. Oh boy.
Do you want to get scared or you want a nice little view?
I want to both. I'm gonna do both rounds.
Okay, that works for me.
Woo.
All clear dispatch.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh jeez. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh, stop it, thank goodness. Oh. 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 God. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're right. The view is worse. Oh. Oh God. Oh God Almighty. Oh Lord, no. Oh.
God.
Oh. Oh God. Oh. 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 Oh God. Oh Lord. What was I thinking? Oh. Oh, the backside is worse. Don't do the backside. Oh. God. God Almighty. Oh. 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 I can't look. Can't do it.
Yep, I was scared. But this is the main reason why. Do you all see this view? This is literally where the swing was over. Just back and forth over this cliff edge right here. It's hard to put into words, but it was amazing and scary at the same time. But before we leave, I actually have a bonus here. These swings, how harmless can they be? Let's check it out.
Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, do y'all see that view? Oh man. Oh God. Okay. Oh shoot. This thing is taking us over the edge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. This is, I can't even speak right now. This is the scariest ride I've ever been on. Oh my God. Yo. Look at this. Look at this. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Okay, this thing needs to stop. Oh. Oh my. Oh God. Oh. Oh.
So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is actually one of the first times I can think of on my channel that I actually was scared, like frightened out of my mind. I'm not someone that overacts or does a clown act to get views and stuff like that. It is what it is, but I was truly scared on this ride. So again, I hope you all enjoyed it. I do have a full tour of this amazing theme park. This is one of my favorite parks I've ever been to. So that full tour, everything on location video is coming up soon. Make sure to check out for it. I'll see you soon. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.